Discover Oak Park, Illinois, a treasure trove of history and architecture. Have you ever wondered where some of America's greatest talents lived and worked? Welcome to Oak Park, Illinois, situated just a stone's throw away from Chicago. This vibrant suburb is much more than your average town. Oak Park is a story of its rich historical and cultural legacy. First, let's talk about Oak Park's celebrated personalities. Here, the spirit of the Nobel Prize-winning author, Ernest Hemingway, lingers in the air. His childhood home, now a museum that offers a deeply personal glimpse into the early life of this literary giant. And then there's the visionary architect Frank Lloyd Wright, whose revolutionary designs changed the landscape of American architecture. His legacy lives on in Oak Park, a town that boasts the largest concentration of Wright-designed homes in the world. Not only can you visit Wright's own home and studio, but you can also meander through the historic district, where his Prairie-style architecture stands as a testament to his genius. But the historical significance of Oak Park doesn't stop with Hemingway and Wright. This town is a treasure trove of stories that span across the centuries, from the early pioneers who first settled the area to the modern-day residents who continue to uphold the town's rich heritage. Oak Park is a place where history comes alive. Every brick, every tree, and every cobblestone street has a story to tell. It's a town that wears its history with pride, offering a unique glimpse into the past. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply in search of a picture, welcomes you to discover its treasures. Oak Park is a town that wears its history with pride, offering a unique glimpse into the past. Oak Park is home to some of the most stunning architectural masterpieces in America. This statement rings true in the heart of every visitor who has had the privilege to stroll through the historic streets of Oak Park, Illinois. This is largely thanks to the influence of one man, Frank Lloyd Wright, a visionary architect whose genius has left an indelible mark on this small town. Wright, one of the most prolific architects in American history, was a pioneer of what is known as Prairie-style architecture. This innovative design movement, characterized by horizontal lines, flat roofs, and open floor plans, was a radical departure from the Victorian homes that dominated the American landscape in the late and early 20th centuries. In Oak Park, Wright's influence is seen everywhere, but it is perhaps most evident in his own home and studio. This is where he spent the first 20 years of his career, honing his craft and creating designs that would change the face of American architecture. Visitors to the Frank Lloyd Wright home and studio can embark on a guided tour that offers a fascinating glimpse into his life, his work, and his revolutionary design. Oak Park, homes in the world. Walking through the historic district, you will encounter over 25 homes and buildings designed by Wright. Each one is a unique representation of his Prairie style. Perhaps the crowning jewel of Wright's architectural legacy in Oak Park is the Unity Temple. Hailed as one of his masterpieces, the Unity Temple is a stunning example of modern architecture. With its clean lines, geometric shapes, and innovative materials, it is a testament to Wright's belief in the importance of harmony between buildings and their environment. The Unity Temple, like so many Wright's designs, challenges our preconceptions of what a building can be. It invites us to see architecture not just as a practical but as an art form capable of inspiring, challenging, and moving us in profound ways. This is the magic of Oak Park, a town that has managed to preserve and celebrate its rich architectural heritage. A walk through its streets is not just a pleasant way to spend an afternoon, it's an education. A journey through the history of American architecture. Walking through Oak Park is like stepping into a textbook of architectural history. And just like any good book, it leaves you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the world around you. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, Oak Park offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Its architectural wonders are a testament to the innovation and the sheer genius of one of America's greatest architects, Frank Lloyd Wright. Imagine walking the same streets as one of the most influential writers of the 20th century, Ernest Hemingway. Born in this very suburb, Hemingway's early life and surroundings in Oak Park played a significant role in shaping his literary prowess. The Ernest Hemingway Birthplace Museum, a beautifully preserved Victorian home, stands as a testament to his beginnings. Step inside, and you'll be stepping back in time, greeted by the echoes of a young Hemingway crafting his first stories. The museum is more than just a house. It's a time capsule that offers a unique glimpse into Hemingway's world before he became a Nobel laureate. Here, you can explore the rooms where Hemingway spent his formative from his birth in 1899 until the family moved in 1906. Each room is filled with family artifacts and period furnishing, bringing to life the environment that shaped the young author. As you wander through, you'll find yourself immersed in his early years, surrounded by the same walls that nurture his creativity. Hemingway's family played a crucial role in his development as a writer. His mother, Grace, a talented musician, instilled in him an appreciation for the arts, while his father, Clarence, a physician and avid outdoorsman, introduced him to the world of hunting and themes that would later become central in his works. But it wasn't just his family that influenced Hemingway. Oak Park itself, with its vibrant community and cultural richness, left an indelible mark on his writing. The suburb's diverse landscape and architecture, combined with the customs and values of its inhabitants, painted a backdrop against which Hemingway's literary voice emerged. Oak Park, the birthplace of Hemingway, offers an intimate look into the early life of this literary giant. As you trace his steps, you're not just exploring a town. You're journeying through the pages of history, experiencing the chapter that led to the creation of some of the most memorable works in American literature. Beyond its historical and architectural treasures, Oak Park boasts vibrant community life. This lively suburb, nestled on the outskirts of Chicago, is brimming with a flourishing art scene that caters to a wide range of tastes and interests. Oak Park is a haven for art lovers, with numerous galleries scattered across the town. These galleries display a diverse array of artwork ranging from contemporary pieces by local artists to classical works by renowned painters. A visit to these galleries, a unique opportunity to delve into the creative, a rich selection of performances throughout the year. Whether you're a fan of classic plays, modern dramas, or musicals, the theaters in Oak Park provide a cultural treat for everyone. Not to be overlooked, the live music venues in the town are known to feature a mix of genres, providing a platform for both emerging and established musicians. In addition to its thriving art scene, Oak Park is home to the Oak Park Conservatory. Showcases a stunning collection of exotic plants in its 3 unique showrooms: the Fern Room, the Tropical Room, and the Desert Room. It's a verdant oasis that provides a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of the city. No tour of Oak Park would be complete without a visit to the Pleasant Home, a National Historic Landmark. This architectural gem, with its distinctive Prairie school design, offers a glimpse in the opulent lifestyle of the early 20th century. Oak Park is more than just a town. It's a thriving community, rich with culture and beauty. This vibrant community life, paired with its historical and architectural treasures, makes Oak Park a captivating destination for those seeking to immerse them in a cover Oak Park's treasures for yourself. The best times to visit this historic suburb are during the pleasant spring and fall months, perfect for exploring the architectural marvels and scenic beauty. Summer ushers in a vibrant season of festivals and events that bring the community together in a celebration of arts, culture, and history. From the rich architectural history of Frank Lloyd Wright's Prairie-style homes, the literary of Ernest Hemingway's Birthplace, to the lush greenery of the Oak Park Conservatory, there is something for everyone. You can immerse yourself in the lively art scene, explore the local galleries, and enjoy live performances at the Paint in a guided tour for a more in-depth understanding of Oak Park's rich heritage. No matter what your interests are, Oak Park, a unique blend of history, culture, and beauty that makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in America's rich heritage.